I hope you stick around and watch the rest of the video. Turn to rustic color. Wonderful day. I'm going to a glass falls today. There you go. It's so pretty. I'm here in Looking Glass. Look how beautiful here. I'm going down. I want to go closer to the falls. Let's go down. Is it slippery? I want to go down there. Okay, we're gonna go closer to the falls. I'm so close to the falls.
I stayed for a couple of hours and headed to Moor Cove.
So let's see. Look at that! Amazing! We're going up here. Forgot my stick. So you gotta climb up here for a couple of steps, and we're gonna see the Moor Cove Falls. I'm catching my breath again. Is it worth it?
Yes.
Okay, thanks. See how deep. Look at that. And that one too. Rock. This is the biggest I've seen so far here in North Carolina. Wow. We hiked for a couple of miles and this is it. Worth it? Yes. This is the third trail that I'm going to do. The sun is hitting on my face. So beautiful. The colors of the trees is starting to turn now, like a rusty colors, and smell is so awesome. You know how falls. Everything is nice. Cool weather, nice color, rusty color. My favorite weather of all time. This is just so pretty. It's magnificent here. I don't know what to say. I know I haven't went to the falls yet, but when you go that way and you are actually on the arc of leaves and trees with a different kinds of color of the leaves. Look. I will show you. perfect. From the start, I actually hear the sound of the water. I mean, I couldn't see from here, but you can hear it because there's so many trees behind all of this one. Look! There you go. I told you there's water. There you go. Oh, come on. I hear a very massive running water, and I think I'm closer to the falls now. Whoa, look at this one. Guys, I can just sit here, relax all day, and hear the sound of the water. It's so pretty for me. I don't know about you, but you gotta come over here and visit this falls. There's a trail, a lot of trails here. It's so nice, so perfect. Look at that. I wish everyone is here. My friends and family is here. So guys, remember, always appreciate things, even small, how small and how big it is. It's what you call life. It's what you call grateful, blessed, and gratitude. It's just so amazing here. I'm gonna rest for a while, not because I'm tired. It's because it's magnificent. I know there's a lot of more beautiful places, but for me, I'm good with the here. It's so amazing here. I can't describe how pretty this place. I've been hiking since early in the morning, and this is my third spot or third hike, and I covered like all falls destination here in North Carolina, but I enjoy it so much. So I'm taking this time off, not because I wanted to, it's because it's the vacation that is much needed. And I hope you guys will take time as well to just sit, relax, take time to appreciate everything. I'm so grateful I'm here today.
Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoy it. And if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing to my channel. Hit the like button and also click the notification bell just in case I have a new video up and you'll be notified. Thank you, and until next time, bye!